This tutorial will show you how to change the voice narrator use for space by default for your account in Windows 11. Narrator is a screen reader included with Windows 11 that describes what on your screen. Narrator lets you use your PC without a mouse to complete common tasks if you are blind or have low vision. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to change narrator voice in Windows 11. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Settings. Tap on Accessibility on the left side. Tap on Narrator on the right side. Under the narrator voice, select a voice you want to in the Choose a Voice drop-down menu. Click the narrator toggle
Narrator
to turn it on.
dialog. Skip for now. Button.
Click
Alt
Install.
plus S. New natural settings window. Add natural voices. Add button. Narrator heading level 1.
Hope you understand.
This is narrator exiting narrator.
I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.